Kaizer Chiefs' latest and breaking news. Amakhosi and young midfielder Samkelo Zwane were probably engaged in contract talks since he was promoted from their DStv Disc Challenge side. Sia sources have now indicated that he might have agreed and signed a 5-year senior team contract. A source close to the situation informed the Sia crew what could happen with the future of the 21-year-old. They want to keep these youngsters at the team for a long time. They have grown up at the club and they know the culture, and it's good to have such players in the team. A five-year deal which will see him remain at the team until 2028. Gaston Sereno has handed a transfer request at Mamelodi Sundowns. Masantawana are now waiting for an offer for the gifted attacking midfielder, as he is a free agent right now. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Bye.